We have a quadratic equation here, that is x square negative 2x negative 9 equals to 0. One solution to the given equation can be written as 1 positive square root of k, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? Usually, when I solve a quadratic equation, I'll be getting two solutions. I mean, two values for x. And one of the solutions can be written in this form, 1 positive square root of k, and we have to find the value of k. So for that, we have to solve this quadratic equation. I don't think this quadratic equation can be solved by factoring. So I think we have to use quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, let me write the given quadratic equation as it is. X square negative 2x negative 9 equals to 0. Okay, to solve any quadratic equation using quadratic formula, the given quadratic equation has to be compared with ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. Then the value of a equals to the coefficient of x square. In our quadratic equation, the coefficient of x square is 1. And the value of b is the coefficient of x. Here it's negative 2. And c is the constant term, that is negative 9. Okay, now let's write the quadratic formula. That is negative b positive or negative square root of b square negative 4ac over 2a. So now I just have to plug in the values for a, b, and c into this quadratic formula here. So negative comes in the formula itself, and the value of b is negative 2, positive or negative. Square root of b square means negative 2 the whole square, negative 4 times the value of a is 1. And the value of c is negative 9 over 2 times the value of a is just 1. Okay, then we get x equals to 2, positive or negative square root of 4. So when I multiply this negative 4 and 1, I'm getting negative 4, negative 4 and negative 9, I'm getting positive 36 over 2 times 1 is 2. Then I'm getting x equals to 2, positive or negative square root of 36. So when I add 36 and 4, I'm getting 40 over 2. So x equals to 2, positive or negative square root of this 40 can be written as 2 times 10, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 10 is 40. So I'm writing this 40 as 2 times 10 in order to simplify the square root. So over 2, then I'm getting x equals to 2, positive or negative. So for every two same numbers multiplied inside the square root, one number can be taken out. So for these two 2's, 1, 2 can be taken out. Then we get 2 times square root of 10 over 2. Then I'm getting x equals to, I think I can factor 2 from these two terms, because the greatest common divisor for these two terms is 2. So if I factor 2 out, I'm getting 1 positive or negative square root of 10 over 2. So this 2 will cancel out. Then I'm getting x equals to 1 positive or negative square root of 10. So there are two solutions in this. The first solution is 1 positive square root of 10. The second solution is 1 negative square root of 10. As said in the question, one of the solutions of this quadratic equation can be written in the form of 1 positive square root of k. So that is nothing but 1 positive square root of 10. So comparing this 1 positive square root of k and 1 positive square root of 10, I am getting k equals to 10, because at the place of k, that is inside the square root, I am getting 10 in my working. So the value of k is 10. We find 10 in option B. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.